Lesson number 11. Explanation. If you see carefully at yourself, you can see your chest is going up and down. All the living things need air. We breathe in and breathe out. That is known as inhalation and exhalation. Inhalation and exhalation are together called respiration. We breathe continuously. Air does not have color, smell, or taste. Fish live in water. They breathe. Get the air that is dissolved in water. We see the air bubbles rising up through the water in the fish tanks. Take a glass full of clean water, put a straw into it, and blow into it with your mouth. You see the bubbles rising up because you blew air into the water which escaped in the form of bubbles.